or the loudest dog. It is about understanding the energy of a breed and finding the one that matches your own energy, your lifestyle, and your needs. Number 20. The German Shepherd, a noble and intelligent leader. Their loyalty is legendary, making them exceptional partners in police work and, most importantly, in the family pack. Number 19. The Rottweiler, exuding calm confidence and immense strength. The Rottweiler's protective instinct is deeply ingrained, a silent guardian devoted to its family's well-being. Number 18. The Doberman Pinscher, sleek, fast, incredibly alert. The Doberman forms a powerful bond with its people, always watchful and ready to defend its pack. Number 17. The Bull Mastiff, a gentle giant with an imposing presence. The Bull Mastiff's size is a natural deterrent, but honestly, their true power is their quiet, unwavering guardianship. Number 16. The Belgian Malinois, a bundle of focused energy, sharp intelligence. This breed's agility, its drive, a favorite for those who need a serious protector. Number 15. The Cane Corso, muscular, powerful, fearless, ancient guardian, possessing a profound sense of duty to protect its home and family. Number 14. The Boxer, a playful spirit with a serious protective side. The Boxer's boundless energy is matched only by its alertness and devotion to its loved ones. Number 13. The Giant Schnauzer, bold, spirited, and fiercely loyal. This impressive dog has a commanding presence and an unwavering commitment to its role as family protector. Number 12. The Akita, a symbol of courage and dignity in Japan. The Akita is profoundly devoted to its family, a quiet and watchful guardian of the home. Number 11. The Staffordshire Bull Terrier, known for its incredible bravery and loving nature. This dog's affection for its owners is immense, fueling its courageous instinct to protect them. Number 10. The Anatolian Shepherd, an independent and ancient livestock guardian. This dog possesses a powerful instinctual drive to watch over its territory and its flock, including you. Number 9. The Great Pyrenees, a majestic dog with a calm and patient demeanor. Beneath their serene exterior lies a vigilant protector, especially gentle and watchful over children. Number 8. The Komondor. Unmistakable with its unique corded coat, the Komondor is an independent and formidable guardian, bred for centuries to protect livestock with authority. Number 7. The Kovács, a loyal, intelligent flock guardian from Hungary. The Kovács is intensely devoted to its family, always watchful and ready to intervene. Number 6. The American Bulldog. Strong, confident, and full of determination, this breed combines a loving family nature with a powerful instinct to protect its people and home. Number 5. The Tibetan Mastiff, an ancient and imposing guardian with strong territorial instincts. The Tibetan Mastiff's presence alone is a powerful statement of protection and authority. Number 4. The Alaskan Malamute, not a typical guard dog, but its strength and alertness are undeniable. Their loyalty to their pack makes them a watchful family companion. Number 3. The Rhodesian Ridgeback, known for its courage and unwavering loyalty. Originally bred to hunt lions, this dog has a brave heart and a deep bond with its family. Number 2. The Dogo Argentino, a powerful and athletic hunter with strong protective instincts. The Dogo is courageous and loyal, a formidable guardian for an experienced owner. Number 1. The Black Russian Terrier. Developed for military work, this dog is intelligent, powerful, and calm. A true guardian, it is deeply bonded to its family and territory. As our journey comes to an end, I want you to remember that the most important factor in choosing any dog, especially a powerful protector, is balance. You must find a breed whose energy fits your lifestyle and your own energy. You must find a breed whose exercise needs fit your lifestyle. You must find a breed whose temperament fits your lifestyle. An unfulfilled dog, no matter the breed, cannot be a balanced protector. A German Shepherd in a small apartment with no job to do will become frustrated. A Tibetan Mastiff with a passive owner will become the leader. You must be prepared to meet their needs. This brings us to the most critical part, responsible ownership. Every dog on this list requires a calm, assertive pack leader. Rules, boundaries, limitations. Proper socialization from a young age and consistent training are not optional. They are essential for creating a stable, trustworthy companion. Your role as the pack leader is to provide direction and protection. In return, your dog will provide loyalty and security. This is the beautiful contract between human and dog, a relationship built on mutual trust and respect. The bond you can form with a protector is one of the most powerful experiences in life. Stay calm and be the pack leader.